Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 6th, and this is my analysis for the Euro yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, like I've been saying, I have a hard time believing that this move up is complete. I still think it needs to go up to at least the 123.6 Fibonacci retracement, from the weekly time frame, that is. And if that's true, that means that anything we see to the downside still is probably very likely just a pullback within an uptrend. So definitely still very bullish on the higher time frames, which puts me down to the shorter time frames. Anything I see to the downside, I would definitely be looking at as potentially just a pullback within the uptrend. So if it does, make its way down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, if it does make a nice engulfing move to the upside at a Fibonacci retracement level, then I definitely would take it as a long. I think this breaker structure right here is what's really going to tell us that this is the bottom of a pullback on the daily time frame. So until we get this breaker structure, we do have to realize that it possibly could make another leg to the downside. But just based on the higher time frame Elliot wave analysis, I think there's a very good likelihood that we are going to end up continuing the higher time frame trend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.